Hello, dears. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and fine, and hope you are enjoying our learning system. Today, we are going to have a glance at subject Geography. Chapter 1: The Earth in the Solar System. Part 1: The Celestial Bodies. I swear that you have already have an idea about the Earth and the solar system. Today we are going to talk about celestial bodies. What are celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. In those celestial bodies, today we have taken only the sun, the moon, and the stars, and you are going to explore about it. I have come up with some ideas to stimulate your interest on this chapter. Activity 1: Shining stars at your home. Materials required: 1 torch, 1 sheet of plain paper, pencil, and a needle. Steps to be followed: place the torch in the center of the paper and draw a circle around the torch. Make some holes in the paper using the needle within the circled area. Now place the perforated circle part of the paper on the glass front and wrap it around the torch. In a dark room, stand at some distance facing a plain wall. Switch off all other lights. Now flash the torchlight on the wall like stars shine in the night. Switch on all the lights in the rooms. All dots of light will be almost invisible. If you have any doubts in the instructions, just follow these pictures. First picture is about: take a torch, pencil, and a needle and a paper. Next, invert the torch and draw a circle. Then make holes on the paper, wrap it around the torch, and the result will be the near picture. Now compare the situation with what happens to the bright objects of the night sky after the sun rises in the morning, and submit a report on it. This is the image of a sky in the night and in the day. Activity 2: Write some points about the sun, moon, and stars of your own and submit it. Here is the example for the name of sun in different languages of our country. You already know sun is in English, and in Tamil it is called as Suryan. In Hindi it will be Ravi. In Telugu, Suryudu. And in Malayalam, Suryan. So this is the activity number 3 for you. As you have seen in the previous slide, find out the name of sun in some more languages in our country with the help of your parents and submit it in the assignment. My dear students, complete the activities and submit it in the assignment section in image or video format. Come up with more ideas and we'll discuss about some more celestial bodies in the next part. Thank you. Happy learning.